Just for those of you who might not be familiar with all the Python commands that we used above, we used a command called enumerate. So let's just see what that does. Imagine we create a list which is cat, dog, hamster, and we want to iterate over that list. So I could do for thing in LST print thing, for example, something stupid like that. But what happens if I wanted to know that cat was position 0, dog was position 1, hamster was position 2? Well, typically you might have done something like this: idx equals 0, and then print idx, and finally idx plus equals 1. That's kind of tedious to have to do that. So fortunately, I thought Python has got something simpler where we use enumerate. And when we're doing that, we do it like this: enumerate the list, and then I can simply print idx thing like that. And what it's doing, so thing is going through the list itself. idx, which is also returned from enumerate, is telling you the index of the thing within the enumerate list. So there we have it. That's what enumerate does. The other thing to watch out is to do with data frames, the two ways of finding out the rows or indexing into the rows of the data frame. So let's have a look at df temp. Oh, that's good. I thought I'd sorted that, but apparently it's not sorted at the moment. Now, if I look in df temp at location, let's look at location 0 and see what happens. So you might have thought the location 0 would return label the position 0 to you, but it doesn't. Location 0 is finding index 0 and then returning the data, the information at that on that row. So location itself looks for the index. If you wanted simply to choose the row which is at the very beginning, then you would use iloc, and then you get the 0 and 413. I think that 0 and was a little bit confusing. Let's just do that again with, how about location 3? So location 3 is going to find index 3 and then return the 9 and 4 188 at that point. If I wanted row number 3, I have to put iloc, and remember that Python indexes from 0, so 0 1 2 3, so that should actually return to you label 3 4 3 5 1. That's it for this video. I hope that made a little bit of sense. Please do go over the various codes that we did until you're comfortable with it.